Just clean it out a little bit. Everything was good. Pretty good here. One thing I noticed about this door is wrong. It's skinnier. And the other side is the correct door, if you can tell the difference. And what happened is I can't get this open. But in here, yeah. And if you look in there, you can see they did something like that to make this fit. Here you see we just cleaned off the trunk. Came out really nice. Apron is really solid. I already took the tank out. I'll show you the tank while we go inside. Whole wiring is complete. Looks really good in here. So this door is correct, but the only issue is this gap right here. And you can see that's why. Just like that. Work on that. I think I need a new fender, I guess. Anyways, let's look at the other side here. The headliner looks, I mean, we're going to change it out anyway, but that's all, but this one was eliminated. Here's a better look at the inside. And without pulling out the van, you know, see daylight. that cord.
Yeah, moving this on.
Oh yeah, you see that top?
Lubricant.
That thing's popping out. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it works.
Alright, barely, but it works.
Now only needs a W. So lubricant a little bit and it will slide.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it because
Right. Dash looks complete except it's missing that switch. Well, this is here's the 64 Beetle. Picked this up last year. So the plan was to actually build this, but when this showed up, and we got plans for that one. So this one, gonna do some things to it, and then we're gonna put it up for sale. So if you know somebody, or if you're interested, and the last time we did this car is when we cut part of the floor out. The main plan for this right now is to actually install the floors and heater channels and pretty much do some of the metal work, because this thing needs a lot. And we gotta see why the sunroof's not working. So that's that. And I sold the motor, but we're gonna use the motor that came out of the other 64 that we sold. Obviously we got the original tranny in there. New starter. And we have all the parts in boxes that will come with it. So that's basically the plan right now for this. For right now, the motor. For right now, we're gonna use the motor for this one. We're gonna do the brakes, put the motor in, see if we can actually make this run and drive. So that way we can move it around while we're working on it instead of pushing it all over the place. And if someone asks for an engine, we could probably include the engine in the sale on this, but we'll see. Okay, so we got these two doors that we're going to be using, and they're complete. It's got the windows, handles, trim, everything. Yeah, we took the tank out. She can look inside. I'm turning on the light. She can see it doesn't look bad in there. Looks really good. Maybe we'll clean it up a little bit just in case to see if there's any. Oh yeah. Nope, spoke too soon. So we'll clean it out and see how it comes out. Alright, so I think coming up next for this car is pretty much getting the brake, doing the brakes, making sure it stops. Put that engine in here, see what can actually make this run and drive. At least for now. So. Alright guys, thanks for watching.